This information comes from a page out of a booklet that was published by the Social and Cultural Department of the Desire Community Center, which was located in New Orleans, Louisiana, and its executive director at the time was Mr. SIDNEY DUPLESSIS. In order that we may better educate and prepare our students, this booklet has been formulated. We hope that our students may become more and more involved with education, and above all, with the help of their parents, teachers, and community, become better students of learning. Hurufu, a Swahili word meaning alphabet. Here are the ABCs for community life. The alphabet for living. A is for Africa, land where our ancestors are from. B is for build, step by step, one by one. C is for create, to make things better. D is for our dialectics, discussion, life goes on forever. E is for example, to be what we believe. F is for focus, to pay attention to our needs. G is for growth, to change from good to the best. H is for history, we've been put to the test. I is for identity, African people are we. J is for juju, black spirit forever free. K is for knowledge, to fill our minds. L is for love of self and kind. M is for many, both young and old. N is for nation, our own land to control. O is for organize, to get it together. P is for power, the more the better. Q is for questions, to know the what, where, why, when, and how. R is for reliance, to be strong from beginning to end. S is for struggle, to fight our enemies toe to toe. T is for teach, to pass on to our people whatever we know. U is for unity, together both day and night. V is for values, to know wrong from right. W is for work, which is our first hope. X is for the unknown, which is the Negro. Y is for youth, the future are we. Z is for zero, which is all we get free. This is Ghostwriter 615, and I'm here just to share information. And this, like I said, was published by the Desire Community Center, Cultural Center, and Dr. SIDNEY DUPLESSIS. It's copyrighted in 1976. And so the only way we forget things is if we do not teach our students, even teach ourselves, our history. This is but a small portion of our history, but it needs to be told and retold because people gave their lives for us. And like I said, this man was a legend in the Desire community and also New Orleans. So this was just a brief excerpt out of a booklet of which they used to publish on a regular basis. Once again, this is Ghostwriter 615. And if you like this information, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.